What's up, my friends? Today, let me introduce to you another zodiac species, Pisces. This is the pattern that you can find in all my shops and it's really. But there is one more interesting deal for you that join my Crochet Heart membership program. You can find on the uh, zodiac species pattern throughout 2021 with a huge discount plus a lot of interesting bonuses for members. You can find all the links in the description below. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get updated. If you love my crochet Pisces Princess, please comment below and let me know.